I can't believe you're questioning my work again in front of everyone. This is ridiculous.
I'm just pointing out where improvements are needed.
Improvements. I've been working my hardest, and this is how you treat me? I'm done. I'm leaving.
Sarah, are you sure about this?
Yes, I'm done here.
Wow, she really left in a huff.
Sarah's apartment. She sits on the couch, fuming, with her laptop open but untouched. Her phone buzzes, but she ignores it. The doorbell rings. It's Lisa, Sarah's best friend. She knows Sarah well enough to bring some comfort food and a listening ear.
Hey, Sarah, I heard what happened. Are you okay?
Okay? Do I look okay, Lisa? I just walked out of my job. I've had it with them. Every day it's something new. Criticism, demands, and no recognition.
I know. Take a deep breath. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm here to listen. Tell me everything.
Today was the last straw. The manager went off on me again, in front of everyone. I've been pulling extra hours, covering for others, and this is what I get in return? I just lost it, Lisa. I walked out.
I can see why you'd feel that way. It sounds like you've been holding this in for a while, but walking out, that's not like you. What's really bothering you?
It's just, I'm tired, Lisa. Tired of feeling unappreciated. Tired of being the only one who seems to care. I'm exhausted. It's not just today. It's been weeks, months even.
I get it, Sarah. You've always given it your all. But burning yourself out for a place that doesn't value you isn't worth it. Look, you're brilliant at what you do. Maybe it's time to consider what makes you happy and fulfilled. Maybe a change is what you need.
But what if I made a mistake walking out like that? What if I ruined my career?
Hey, mistakes are part of life. You know that. What matters is what you do next. You've got options, Sarah. You could apologize if you think it's worth it or start looking for something better, somewhere you're valued. But first, you need to calm down and think it through. You don't have to decide everything today.
You're right. I need some time to think. Maybe I've been too caught up in all of this to see the bigger picture.
Exactly. Take tonight to relax. We can binge watch some shows, talk it out more if you want. No pressure, no rush. And remember, you're not alone. I'm here, whatever you decide.
Thanks, Lisa. I really needed that. I don't know what I'd do without you.
Well, you'd probably end up storming out of a lot more places.